Hello, welcome to CloudWin. In this video, we are going to deploy the Super Mario game in AWS ECS, that is Elastic Container Service. In the last video, we have deployed the Super Mario game in Docker. The video is available. I will share the link in the description. So let's move to today's task. First of all, I'm going to create two security groups. One is for the ECS and the other one will be for the load balancer. Security groups. Create security group. I'm going to name this ALBSG. Copying this in the inbound role, I'm allowing the HTTP port, sources anywhere, create security group. Okay, now we need the security group for the ECS containers, ECS SG. And here we are going to allow the port 8080. In the source, I'm going to mention the security group of the load balancer so that the containers will have access only from the load balancer. Okay, the security group part is done. Now we have to create the load balancer. Before that, we will create a target group. Create target group. In this, I'm going to select IP addresses. Target group name will be Mario TG. Okay. Rest I'm keeping as it is. Next. Here also, I'm not going to do anything. Create target group. Okay. Target group has been created. Now we will create the load balancer. Load balancers. Create load balancer. As always, application load balancer. I want to name this Mario ALB. Internet facing IPv4. Select the same VPC. And I'm selecting all the subnets. Security group, we will select the security group which we created for the load balancer. Here it is. Target group. Here it is Mario TG. Create load balancer. Okay. Load balancer is also created. It is still provisioning. It will take some time to provision. In the meantime, I'm going to create the ECS. First, we need the cluster. Cluster name can be Mario cluster. I'm going to choose AWS Fargate so that there will not be any servers. Wait, wait will take some time. I'm going to task definitions. Create new task definition. Naming it Mario GD. AWS Fargate. Linux. We want to reduce the memory. Create more own. Here I'm going to name it Mario. Image URI. I'm going to give this. There are many images available for Super Mario in Docker Hub. I'm selecting this. Thanks for the person who have created this image. And the container port I'm going to give 8080. Okay. I'm checking this for now. We can review once again. Mario TD, AWS Fargate. Okay, then create. The task definition is successfully created. Also, the cluster is here. As of now, no tasks running. Let us go to the task definitions. Clicking on the task definition, selecting this, deploy, create service, selecting our cluster. Target is here. Service name would be Mario service. The desired task I'm going to select two so that there will be two running tasks. Task means just containers. In the networking, I'm going to select the security group which we created earlier. ECS, here it is. Okay, in the load balancing, application load balancer, use an existing load balancer, select our load balancer, here it is Mario ALB. In the target group, we already have a target group, here it is. That is also done. Now click on create. This will also take some time. The task is being provisioning. Also, there will be one load balancer which we have already created. Let's see the status of that. It's active. Let's replace the nodes. Yes, of no registered targets. It's activity. Let's wait. It will take some time. Still pending. One task is running now. Okay, two tasks are running now. Let's check the load balancer. Refreshing this. Okay, the targets are attached now, and two of them are healthy. Let's copy the DNS of the load balancer. If everything is fine, we can get the Super Mario game in our console. You can see we have the Super Mario game here. We have deployed it through AWS ECS. So I will explain you the process which we did. First, we created two security groups. Then we created the target group. Then we created a load balance with the target group. And we created the ECS cluster, followed by the task definition. Then we deployed the task definition with a service, and we have got the Super Mario game. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.